Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions, bringing you a down and dirty unboxing and the basic use of the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Inside the box, you will find a non-readable, yes, a very non-readable instruction manual and the Apple Pencil 2 2nd generation. The first thing you'll need to do is to fully charge the Apple Pencil by placing it on top of your iPad. It magnetically connects and starts charging automatically, and after that, it just works. The integration happens immediately between the pencil and your iPad. If you're going to use the pencil on an iPad while it is in the case, it needs to be a completely foldable one that folds flat like the Smart Folio or the Smart Keyboard. The Magic Keyboard is not recommended because it cannot fold flat. So unless you're willing to remove the iPad from the case every time you want to draw or write, use a different case. There are so many different things that you can use the pencil on an iPad for. It makes it way more usable than just watching movies or surfing the web. It is a great accessory for the iPad, and I think you will be happy with it. Ole ole, another down and dirty unboxing and basic setup completed. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.